I'm Pete Waddell from Biloxi, Mississippi.
Pete, and you have an interesting ride here. It's a 1989 Crown.
86
Crown.
95 passenger, tandem axle, tandem drive, mid-engine bus.
Mid-engine, now that makes it extra unique. And you said this used to be a school bus.
They are school buses.
They're
currently school buses. Very few left of them in circulation right now. Crown Coach, Los Angeles, California. It's unique from 1930. I'm gonna say 39. I'm gonna say 40s to be safe, to 89. 89. After 89, they changed the body style. The flatter front, more like a Thomas. I mean, I'm not going to say a Thomas build, but a flat front. They're unique. They're still nice looking buses, and they're still the Crown.
It is. It's a really nice looking bus. It's the placement of the engine.
Right here. Right here.
Right around here.
This is the bottom half of your motor. Your oil pan, alternator, filters. I've added the air conditioning.
AC.
Mini split.
That is super clean install.
It was awful to cut the first hole in your Crown.
I bet.
The back is, I did a one-demand water heater. The back is unique to a school bus because it has a trunk.
Oh.
I've got my junk in my trunk, so bear with me. I'm adding solar and repairing and still.
So take me on an inside tour of this amazing bus.
When I got it, it had all the seats, everything, so I gutted it out as everybody's done. A lot of people say do your floors last, do you work your way down. I didn't take any of the original ceiling out. I left it, I covered it with foam. It helped me a lot. Then I did my floor. I did hardwood oak flooring all the way through the bus. We've been here 3 or 5 days, so it's dirty, dusty. Each room has its own unique pattern. I kind of knew what my layout was going to be, so I followed it on through. You leave access points for parts of your bus. I got radiators. I used furniture, roadside treasures. Put them in here temporary to get me through my week of the swarm.
It actually works.
It's bolted.
It actually works super well.
It works really nice.
I mean, it looks nice.
Keep it or go to with the same idea. I got lucky and somebody was remodeling the house and I got all the blinds. And all the blinds fit my windows pretty nice. Being a mid-engine, you got access in the floor. So I did a nice little inlay. For now, I can change them around and do a seasonal one.
This is really nice woodwork.
Again, everything's just in here temporary. My refrigerator is considered a cooler. Gas stove. I do have the mini split as well.
I love the little hood. I love the little hood you've built here.
Yeah, that's actually a flower pot.
Oh wow!
And I'm not gonna say I'm a grave robber, but a friend of mine gave it to me. It was off a grave.
Wow.
But it doesn't have the fan. It's just vented out through the vents that the Crown has. This is a door. Didn't want to take up space with the door. I did a door.
Whoa.
And it's gone. It's there, but it's the door. And it just comes back, closes it up.
I've never seen anything like that.
You come on back in this way and I'll show you the purpose behind this door. I can turn around and come this way. This door is in there. This door closes, gives you your privacy, and then this door opens, and I have the toilet here.
Oh, you can separate the living space.
I'm in
Genius.
by myself. But it's a toilet partition as would be a store. I mean, basically, it doesn't close the whole thing off, but it's out the way.
Wow.
It doesn't take up the space. This door can still be used. And it serves two purposes. Then we go to unfinished territory. A dresser is going to be in here. The shower is done. It does function well. The future project is a bathtub. that it actually folds down. I gotta put a bottom into it, but it folds down. You know, like once I get the bottom in it, it'll hold the water.
I'm not gonna lie, you're blowing my mind at this point.
Pull the chain. I know you're gonna do a lot of editing.
No, not the editing, just the interesting ideas you come up with.
The shower. Once it's dry, pick her back up. I got my shower back. It still needs a little tweaking to get it to balance right. Do all the good shit, but it still works. I keep it covered up and down when traveling until I can lock it off.
And you were saying, obviously, this is still a work in progress. You're still doing a lot of work on this day. It looks like you've already accomplished quite a bit.
I mean, 2 years into it now.
Oh, you're 2 years into this build. This is an amazing rig. I mean, I'm telling you guys, there are so many creative ideas. There's just so many interesting things to see here.
The floor does match the ceilings.
Even the floor matches the ceiling. Yeah, so no limit of creativity here.
The timbers throughout were off of construction jobs. I incorporated them into everything to the frame, and then I even wove the bed to make it a hammock and give it real soft. It's tightened up at the middle where the butt would be.
Wow.
Where your weight, and then oh my God, I've slept so good. Never slept better than on this thing.
And then you get a nice solar system here that you said you just got hooked up.
I'm in the middle of working it. Still need more battery. Yeah, it's working. We're not plugged in, and there's AC, but I plan to put another AC unit back here. So it'll be a challenge with two AC.
Another mini split, right?
I'll do another mini. Yeah. Probably work one at a time for comfort at night. Or cycle.
Well, thank you so much for showing our viewers this amazingly creative rig. I cherish these moments. They're wonderful.
You got to get the essence of bacon. I mean, I'm sure they can get the sense of vision, right?
Sense of vision, yeah. Bacon. I don't know. That's one of my favorites. You know, bacon makes everything better.
It made everything.